Welcome to this delightful two-story home. We are in the popular Cedars neighborhood today in the heart of Lenexa, Kansas. And not only will you love all of the updates inside, but this location can't be beat. We're just seconds away from the brand new Sarco Aquatic Center, minutes away from Lenexa's newest dining options, and the highway access makes commuting a breeze. And guess what my favorite part is that we are 1 mile away from the best coffee and bakery in the area. So what are you waiting for? Let's go take a peek.